Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add Calendly on Wix. So currently we're on a Wix website and we're editing it. So in order to do this, we need to go over to the top right corner where we have the search bar and we're going to click on it. This brings up the search bar and you're going to search for Calendly. And right here you have the app market suggestions and we're going to select Calendly connector booking. So we're going to click on it. And right here, we're going to click on add to site. And right here, you're going to tick the box to agree to the terms and then click agree and add. It's a 5-step setup, so we're going to wait for it to get to that. And now that it's installed, it has the default scheduler, so we're going to click on it. Now you might have a page like this, and this is because Calendly is looking for your Calendly URL. So in order to do this, you need to go over to the widget settings, which can be found right here. You have some options here, and you're going to click on settings. And then right here, you're going to have to put in your Calendly URL. So if we click on it, we're going to have to put our URL. As you can see here, the Calendly URL looks like this, and you can see the address and your username. So all you need to do is to go over to your Calendly, copy your Calendly URL, paste it here, and make some other settings for your preference, and you can save it. After which your Calendly will be connected to your Wix website. So this is how to add Calendly to Wix.